In Excel, filters plays vital role while generating the reports. By applying the filters, user can eliminate unwanted data and retrieve desired output. Hi everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar. In this video, I am going to explain how to generate the reports by applying filters on the data. So during this process, I am not using any VBA code or Excel formulas to retrieve the output. Everything should be I am going to explain through manual process. Here I have some data in the columns of A, B and C. So I am going to apply the filters on this data. Under the data tab, we can find sort and filter group. In that, we can find the option of filter. This filter eliminates the unwanted data based on the requirement of the user. So if you want to apply the filter, select the cell on which data user wants to apply the filter and click on filter symbol. So this is the procedure to enable and disable the filter on the data. Now I will show the shortcut how to apply the filter on the data. First, select the cell. Thereafter, press Alt D F F. Then application applies the filter on the selected data. In the drop down, we can find the text filters. So this one consists of equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and last one is custom filter. So let us see how to use these options one by one. First I am starting with equals. Here custom filter dialog box displayed on the screen. In that, application returned the column header which is named as item, as I have applied the filter on the item column. Here we can find different options, equals, does not equal and so on. First I am selecting equal. Under criteria box, we can find application returns unique data of the column. Here we can find apple, banana, grapes and so on. So here I am selecting apple. Thereafter, we can find two operators here, AND operator and OR operator. User can choose based on their requirement. Here I am selecting OR operator. Coming to operator for second criteria, here I am selecting equals. Next I am choosing banana. At the bottom, we can find the description for wildcard characters. Question mark represents to single character. Coming to star or asterisk symbol represents to series of characters. Click on OK. So here we can find the output. Here I am removing the filter. Alt D F F. That is the shortcut. Next I am applying the filter. This time I am moving to does not equal option. Already application returned does not equal from the drop down. Here I am selecting apple. Next I am selecting AND operator. For the second criteria, here I am choosing equals to. Orange. So it should not equal to apple and equals to orange. That is the condition I am going to apply on this data. Click on OK. So application returned the output. Let us see how application returns if I use OR operator for the same criteria. So here criteria is does not equivalent to apple or equivalent to orange. So here is the output. From the second criteria, application returned the orange, and all the remaining rows are applicable for first criteria, which is not equivalent to apple. So this is the difference between AND operator or OR operator. AND operator returns the output upon satisfying the both criteria. Coming to OR operator, satisfaction of single condition is adequate. Next I am moving to begins with. This time I am not selecting any item from the available drop down. Here I am mentioning only first letter of the item. So here I am mentioning as M. Selected OR operator. So that item should begin with either M or G. That's only my condition. So here application return the output. Remove the filter. So here my condition is item should begin with A or it does not begin with P. So here we can find the output. Next I am moving to ends with. Normally in functions or in VBA, user has to use wildcard characters to retrieve the same output. But through this process, it is not required to use any wildcard characters. By default, based on the option selected by the user, application returns the output. Here I mentioned it should end with E. Click on OK. Here we can find last character of the all the returned items ended with E only. Next I am moving to contains. It should contain AN as part of the string. Click on OK. Let us see how application returns. Here we can find all these 4 items consists of AN as part of the string. Here I am going to apply second criteria. Here my criteria is that item should start with M. So here I chose begins with option and mentioned as M. Here application eliminated the remaining content and returned the required output. Next I am moving to does not contain. Here I am choosing PP, means that item should not consist PP as part of the string. Here I am mentioning as it should end with A. Click on OK. So this is the output returned by the application. And the last one is custom filter. Here we can find same options as we discussed previously. And the last example is, let us see how to filter the data which starts with P and that item contains P as character. Here I am choosing begins with retained AND operator. Here I have selected contains P as part of the string. Here we can find application return the output upon satisfying mentioned two conditions. First character equivalent to P and considered P as part of the string. So in this way we can apply the filter manually without using any formula or coding. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.